season 4 and the finale, my last introduction to a book on the 5 small books you can read to transform your life and practice. Now, there is one more video after this that you must watch. If you have not seen any other video other than the next video, you've got to watch it. It's going to change your life. But to finish off this series of videos, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've seen a couple of great easy books and you've grabbed those and you continue to read, because reading grows you as a person, it grows you as a practitioner, it allows you to impact, serve and have a profound influence on the health and lives of your patients and the community, and grows you in a way that you can serve more. And that's why I wanted to finish my entire series with a new look at chiropractic's basic science. Again, Claude Lessard, I introduced one of his previous books, Chiropractic, amazing, isn't it, in an earlier series of these videos, but this is a great book. We go deep into our philosophy. We understand the principles of chiropractic and we are transformed individually and collectively as a profession. So this is a really small book, 60 odd pages, but you know what? It's an important read. Our philosophy is important. The distinction that we have as chiropractors through our philosophy is changing. So when we read books like that, it means I'd love you to read the blue books. I'd love you to read the green books and all of our philosophy ones. But sometimes we don't get into those books because they're too much, they're too long, they're too hard. And I understand that. But if we only read a small book once in a while, then it's going to change us. And I encourage you to do that, which is why I created this series of small books that you can read in half a day to improve your practice and your life and improve success levels. So I hope you've found some value in these really brief overviews. Equally, I really implore you to join me for the next video, because I believe that not only is a small book important for us to read, a small book is important for a chiropractor to write. And all of those chiropractic authors wrote small books and it changed their lives. It changed the impact they had within practice. And I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that too. So join me in the next video called The Small Book Phenomena, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can benefit from the small books and lead an extraordinary practice to an incredible life. I look forward to seeing you there.